Okay, so throughout the remainder of this course, we are going to get into the details of Modbus 485 networking. Now, what I've found is that learning any new concept or skill is tremendously more effective when there is a specific problem to which we have to apply those skills. So in this lecture, we're going to look at an actual solution in which a Modbus RS485 network must be created to solve a problem. This will be the problem example that we will use through the rest of the course. We will learn the theory and practical details of Modbus and RS485 and then apply it to this example problem. Okay. So the problem takes place in the oil and gas scenario, where there is an oil company that has many offshore wells and platforms. On one particular well way out in the ocean, there are two programmable logic controllers, or PLCs. As seen in the diagram, these PLCs are named PLC1 and PLC2 for our reference. Onto PLC1, we have a pressure sensor and temperature sensor connected. Onto PLC2, we have two discrete inputs connected to two different valves, V1 and V2 respectively. Now, normally these PLCs would simply run as a standalone system, but management has taken a decision that they would like to get pressure, temperature, and valve position data transmitted wirelessly back to the marine base. Both PLCs can communicate using Modbus RS485, but they can't communicate wirelessly to send the data back to the base using radio. So to solve the problem, another PLC called PLC3, which has wireless radio capability, is installed into the well. PLC3, in addition to being able to communicate wirelessly, can also do so via Modbus RS485. So our problem then is to connect PLC3 to PLC1 and 2 using RS485 and then configure all three PLCs so that PLC3 constantly reads the latest values of pressure, temperature, and valve positions from PLCs 1 and 2. PLC3, then having these values, will transmit them periodically back to the marine base for data capture and analysis. So that, folks, is the problem we're going to solve at the end of this course. So from here on, as we go through the theory and practical details of Modbus and RS485, I want you to constantly keep in mind the problem that we are trying to solve. Great.